frozen granular, cream cheese, the devil's dandruff, mashed potatoes. Whatever it is you call it, it's here, and it's here with a vengeance. Atlanta was not prepared for what eventually did show up last night, and through the wee hours of the morning, it was indeed peppered with salt-like substance, way worse than we had anticipated. The mayor had originally said that we were going to get 3 to 5 inches. I believe he was incorrect in his estimate. We have by far exceeded that. These are some shots that we have been able to collect this morning while braving the winter storm. You'll notice that there are many frozen things all throughout the town. Children were found playing in their driveways, extremely depressed from the cold in which they had to endure for this 2017 Snowmageddon. We advise the Atlanta residents to use extreme caution when
we interrupt this broadcast to bring you a breaking news special report.
Atlanta has suffered downed trees. Fences have fallen over. The worst is here, folks. Be prepared. Reports are now coming in from many citizens of the city stating many areas have been extremely dampened. Many patio fine furnishings have been found to take in the brunt of the damage.
We now bring you back to your regularly scheduled programming.
The Neverlanders was filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Oh, finally, dear. You're home.
Did you miss me, dear?
Oh, so much. I made you your favorite dinner.
Oh, golly gee, my favorite. What is it? Did you spend all day making tamales?
No, dear. I made you sweet peas.
This is crap.
Dinner.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a breaking news special report. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a breaking news special report. We interrupt this broadcast to...
Do not go outside. Do not attempt to drive your vehicles. And for God's sakes, stay warm, folks. This one could have us hunkered down for hours. Scott Neverlander reporting to you from the hub of where we got hit the hardest. Yeah, this sucks. Pretty much sucks.